Welcome to BE Tech Talks. On this video, I'll show you how to convert a 2-inch water pump into a spray down suppression system. This works best with a high pressure pump. Can spray up to 50 feet. However, you can use any kind of 2-inch water pump, including chemical, water, or trash. Lower pressure does mean it only shoots about half as far as a high pressure version. To set it up, you need 5 different parts, which you see here. The brass reducer, the 2 high pressure fittings for the hose, the spray nozzle, and the hose itself. To start, you take the brass reducer that goes in a 2-inch discharge and bring it down to 1/2 inches. This connects to the first high pressure fitting that threads on. And this is needed for the pressure hose, which already has the mating fittings installed. These just go straight on, half a turn, and they're secure. On the other end, you install the other high pressure fitting, and finally, the fire nozzle. Now the machine is ready to spray water. All you need to do is connect the suction hose and bring it to your source of water. So you brought the pump to water, suction hose is inside, the pump isn't primed, time to turn it on. This has been BE Tech Talks. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We have plenty of videos for you to watch, and we'll see you next time.